what a lot of you are building, and I'm gonna step on a few toes, is controlled chaos. See, things are moving, money's coming in, clients are being served, but the business, everything still goes through you. If you've been here before, you've heard my story about when I had the store and how I had a plan, I had a backup plan, I had a backup plan to my backup plan. But what I did not have is a plan for when things succeeded, for when things took off and success, this wind of success came in like a typhoon, like a tornado. I wasn't ready for that. Okay. So my goal has always been to make sure that I help you all, everyone who tunes in, client or not client, but help you to make sure that your business is built so that when that wind of success comes in, you can ride that baby, you can surf it. Okay. That your business will not stumble, it will not fall. All right.